Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Impeccable Investor. Every trader will have their own personalized trading style, niche investment area, and set of rules or guidelines. However, there are a few key day trading tips that every great trader knows and follows religiously. Despite all the potential variation among traders, there are a few aspects to trading that are absolutely essential to success. With that said, here are 7 day trading secrets. Number 1. Develop and backseat a personalized strategy. The investment world is so massive and complex that the only way to get ahead is to find a small niche and become an absolute master at trading it. All the greatest traders started off by identifying a niche market that was relevant to their skills, knowledge, interests, and experience, and then put it in the time and effort to develop, backtest, and hone a consistently winning strategy. Just like a sports star, you will become so good at what you do that it will seem effortless to outsiders, while in reality it represents a lifetime to dedication to the perfection of your craft. Number 2. Develop monk-like discipline. Developing and winning trading strategy is only the beginning of the road to successful trading. Now you need to follow it. This means regimenting your trading so that you are consistently employing your trading strategy. Sometimes the market will simply refuse to go along, while other times you will simply be tired, frustrated, or angry. There will be a constant temptation to depart from your trading strategy, increase your leverage to cover a loss, break a small rule because you are sure that you are right. The list goes on and on. Successful traders develop a monk-like discipline that provides them with a laser focus aimed at consistently producing a reliable level of profit. Much of the skill of trading is the highly developed sense of self-awareness that allows all the greatest traders to ignore the distractions and temptations and become true masters of their craft. Number 3. Ignore the holy grail trades. The best traders know that smart trading is not gambling. Yes, there is risk involved, but smart trading is about knowing when the potential gain justifies the risk. It is always tempting to chase holy grail trades that will produce eye-watering returns in a short amount of time. But being able to ignore that temptation is what separates the great traders from the rest. Even in the best trading chat rooms, you will find that pro traders take losses. It's inevitable and something you have to learn to deal with. Great traders consistently take base hits to make a living, while every once in a while a huge trade will come along. Number 4. Keep it simple. The investing world is full of complex instruments and theories that are meant to beat the system by offering some magic formula that ignores the inherent balance between risk and return. Unfortunately, no such formula exists, and those that are successful for a time always end up imploding catastrophically in the end. Successful trading is about identifying an area in the market where you can become a master and then consistently performing well in that market day after day. You might be dealing with complex ideas and instruments, but the basic principles that you will be applying to guide your trades will be the same simple rules that all other great traders follow. If your trading strategy is too complex and unnecessarily sophisticated, you will find it impossible to apply to the vagaries and uncertainty that rule the markets on a real-time and day-to-day basis. Number 5. Knowledge is power. With instant communication, an event the other side of the world can quickly affect your market. As a result, having access to reliable news sources is more important than ever. However, some resources go above and beyond reporting breaking news. They also offer in-depth insight and commentary, all of which may enhance your ability to predict future price movement. So, one of the best kept secrets of day trading is financial juice. Once you have signed up for a free user account, live news will be audibly read out as it breaks, making staying up to date with events that may impact your market straightforward and effortless. This all makes it one of the best day trading secrets to be revealed. Number 6. Enhanced analysis. Some say you are only as good as your technical analysis. That is why ensuring you have powerful charts and tools at your disposal is vital. It is also why in this list of 7 secrets to day trading success, eSignal deserves a mention. Whilst the standard charts you get from your broker will make you do for a while, eSignal is the place to go when you are ready to upgrade. You have the ability to draw and write custom formulas. Once custom scripts have been installed, they can be used as indicators for reversals and drawing support/resistant lines. eSignal also runs smoothly, enabling you to load charts on numerous monitors without any lag. On top of that, the financial media and social integration features allow you to instantly connect to information and experienced traders. Bouncing ideas off other traders can prove an effective way to hone an advanced day trading scalping strategy, for example. Number 7. Learn to accept losses. You will be wrong and you will lose money. Occasionally, you will be very wrong and lose a lot of money. It happens, no matter how well you prepare. The truly great leaders accept that they operate in a world of uncertainty, and that is inevitable that they will sometimes be wrong. The key is to not let this affect your attitude or judgment, and to develop ways of coping with loss just as calmly as you acknowledge your wins. The greatest traders coolly and calmly make their trades day after day and make the necessary adjustments to their trading strategy as they get real-time feedback from the market. None of it is personal. It is always business. Learn to keep your cool no matter what, and you will be ready to compete with the greatest traders in the world. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.